Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering essentials: Node, JS LTS and a modern browser, plus VS Code in a project folder. First actionable step is to scaffold index. HTML, style, CSS and main, JS and serve with live server so you see changes instantly. Once done, write a tiny animation loop using request animation frame to move a square. This proves your runtime and DOM access work. Make sure to practice small JS snippets that read and write the canvas, or DOM. Because understanding runtime, now you move into the complex middle. Build a robust game loop with a fixed time step and delta time so physics stays consistent across devices. Implement input handling that records state on keydown/keyup and translates it into actions, because decoupling events from state prevents jitter. Once in place, create simple entity structures with position, velocity, update, and render methods, and add basic OB collision checks. When you integrate these systems, test with slow frame simulation. That reveals timing bugs before they become game-breaking. To finish, focus on polish and delivery. Optimize rendering by batching draws and minimizing per-frame allocations, then profile in dev tools to spot hot spots. Next, load assets asynchronously, sprite sheets, audio, and present a progress indicator. Once assets are ready, swap to your main loop. Finally, bundle with Rollup or Webpack, serve static files, and test across devices. If things go wrong, check the console for uncaught promises and use stepwise isolation. Disable systems until the bug stops, then re-enable to pinpoint the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.